Welcome to Southscapes Trece Martires. Perfect for someone na looking for a home in Cavite na hindi lang maganda, kundi smart living talaga. Accessible siya via major roads, CALAX, and even upcoming LRT extension, kaya mas mabilis na ang travel papuntang Metro Manila. Plus, super lapit sa essentials like SM Trece, Walter Mart, hospitals, schools, at City Hall. Pero eto ang pinaka-convenient. May sariling e-shuttle service ang community. May pick-up point sa Walter Mart, SM Trece, City Hall, at Capitol. So kahit walang sasakyan, hindi ka mahihirapan bumiyahe. And this is where it gets better. This is an energy-efficient community. May solar panels, insulated walls, and tinted windows. Meaning, mas presko ang bahay, mas tipid sa kuryente. You can choose based on your needs. Para sa mga practical at naghahanap ng budget-friendly, we have Alba, a middle unit townhouse. Lot area is from 50 to 52 square meters. Floor area is about 62 square meters, 2 bedroom, and 2 toilet and bath. For more airflow, we have Salana, an end unit townhouse. Lot area is between 100 and 132 square meters. Provision for 3 bedroom and 3 toilet and bath. Elia, our single attached unit, is perfect for those that need bigger space. Lot area is from 100 to 132 square meters. Floor area, 96 square meters. 3 bedrooms and 3 toilet and baths. The community is complete with clubhouse, pool, parks, and open spaces. Perfect for family living. So if you're planning to invest or finally own a home, Southscapes might be the one for you. Message me now for viewing and details.